Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be decompressing a run length encoded list. And all this means is that if we have a list of integers, such as the one we have here, nums with 1, 2, 3, and 4, we have to decompress it in a way that the algorithm run length encoded wants it to do. And basically this algorithm wants it to decompress it by selecting the even indexes, and the even indexes are going to be the frequencies of how many times the numbers after that odd index is going to appear, and the even indexes are going to be the number or the value that appears in the results, the frequency amount of times. So for example, in here, the first pair 1 and 2, 1 being the frequency and 2 being the value, is going to mean that we have to append the value into the results list one time. So in this case, 2 appears into the output list one time. And in the second pair, 3 and 4 means we have frequency of 3 with the value of 4. The value 4 appears into the output 3 times. So in the end, the output list is going to be 2, 4, 4, 4. So to solve this problem, we have to check for odd and even indexes so that we can figure out which numbers are the values and which numbers are the frequencies. Therefore, we're going to loop through the nums array, and once we encounter an odd index, we can get the numbers at that odd index, which would give us the value that we have to append to the results list. And when we get that value, we're also going to look for the numbers at the index before that index, so we can get the frequency. And the frequency is going to be the amount of times that that value is going to show up in the results list. So now let's try and write this algorithm out in Python. The first thing we're going to do is declare the results list so that we can store all of our results into that list and return it later on. I'm going to name it results and declare it as an empty list. Okay, now we're going to loop through the items inside of the nums array. So for I in the range of 0 up until length of nums. Okay, and once we got that, now we have to check to see if the index is an odd index. And we're going to do that using the mod operator. And if it's an odd index, then I has to be uppercase. Okay, now if it's an odd index, I can append my results. The odd index is going to be the value. So I'm going to append that value. And I'm going to append that value and look at the previous number inside of the nums list. And that will be the number of times I have to copy it to the results. So the frequency is actually going to be nums at I minus 1. And that's going to be the amount of times that I have to copy it to. the results list. So now I'm going to loop through the frequency amount of times for j this time, for j in the range of 0 up until frequency. Then I'll just go and append to the results that value. And the value is nums at I itself. Okay, so now we can return this results and see if we can get the right answer with the decompressed run length encoded list. So I will try and return the results and see how that goes. I'll run this code. And it looks like we got the right answer. I will also try and submit it. And so yeah, guys, this is how we solve the decompressed run length encoded list. This algorithm is fairly straightforward. All we have to do is keep track of the odd indexes, and the numbers at the odd indexes will be the value, and then looking into the number before that, which is the even index, the numbers at the even index will be the amount of times that the number after it will need to be copied over to the results list. And that way we have decompressed our list. I hope you enjoyed this approach. Please let me know if you can think of a better approach to solve this problem. And if you do, comment down in the comments below. If you have any questions, you can also do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.